In the mystical realm of Eldoria during the 14th century, the enigmatic Lady Seraphina ruled with a gaze that held the power of magic, though beautiful. Her eyes were a mystery, and a mere glance could unleash extraordinary forces. Lady Seraphina, an unconventional leader, fostered a kingdom of unity and diversity. She abolished discrimination, creating a kaleidoscope of cultures within Eldoria. The sanctuary of whispering winds became a symbol of hope, embracing all who sought refuge. Her wisdom shattered prejudice, inspiring the people to dream beyond the ordinary. Laughter echoed in her palace, as Lady Seraphina believed in inspiring joy rather than instilling fear. Her heart, boundless as the horizon, broke records of compassion. Lady Seraphina adopted countless children, creating a loving family within the castle walls. In the end, her legacy wasn't one of fear, but of a kingdom where differences were celebrated. Eldoria stood as a testament to the extraordinary power of unity, compassion, and the magic within the gaze of acceptance.